Welcome back to our channel. We have a very special video for you. We are here at Tres Cantos, Madrid, Spain. I'm gonna show you what the future of Madpanda looks like. In 2024, we took the decision to upgrade our workshop, and as you can see, it's coming to life. It's a big change for us because we're moving from Barcelona to Madrid, but it's a really strategical decision, so we're really happy with it. At the moment, as you can see, it's coming to life. It's coming slowly. Took a lot of time to get the permissions, but we managed to get them. So yeah, 2025 was all about paperwork, and now 2026, it's all about building. So our strategy was to come to Madrid, but then it was really difficult to choose where. We found this town, Tres Cantos, which is perfect for us, like really nice. This terrain has been really rough because it was the only one available. And let's say we had to do a lot of piling work, around 15 meters, which is quite a lot. But yeah, everything is coming to life. So seeing it now and after all the work we've done, it's an amazing feeling. So really proud we're already building, and yeah, looking forward to see how it ends. So we are in March 2026 and the construction started in the beginning of the year. So it's been around 3 months, and as you can see, the progress is coming really fast. So yeah, we're really happy with how everything's been doing. The guys on the construction are doing an amazing job, even though the weather sometimes has been really rough, especially in winter. You know, we got a bit of snow and stuff, but they still managed to get some good progress. So let me introduce you to our workshop. It's 1,400 square meters, and at the front you can see where the trucks are gonna be. So we will have 3 gates for each truck to come in. We have the reception as well. And let's go inside where the most interesting stuff is. So now we are inside our future workshop, and we are standing where the trucks are gonna be. And on the back, you can see again the reception, and on top, there's the dining and dress room. And here on the side, it's the most important part of the workshop, of course. We'll see the cars here in the middle of the workshop, and on the back side, you can see on the lower part, is gonna be the place where the guys are gonna be working. And on top, we will have all the offices and the meeting rooms and stuff, with all the views of the inside and the outside as well. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to how this is gonna pan out. Hope you enjoyed this first video of the new series, where we will be showing you how we build our new workshop. And make sure to subscribe, like and follow. And as always, thanks for watching.